Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to add a background music in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to add a background music, first of all, we'll import the background music into our project panel and then we'll insert it into the sequence. Hello guys, welcome to the... Here is a nice track, but we'll cut it off to here. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe. You can see that the background music level is much higher. So we'll level down this. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. It's almost okay, but you need to little bit down to 20. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. So hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. So you can see that we can easily add a background music, and what we just need to do that is to adjust the volume level, or decibel by from here or from the effects control here, because to listen the voice properly. Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. I'm your new instructor. So that's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, I'm going to discuss how to convert any video into the audio. Thank you.